Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On July 28, 2021, Indian Air Force formally inducted the 2nd Rafale Squadron at West Bengal's Hasimara in Eastern Air Command with water cannon salute. And this gives a major boost for Indian Air Force in facing any type of threats from China. The 1st Rafale Squadron, which is the number 17 Squadron or Golden Arrows, is already stationed at Ambala Air Force Station as part of Western Air Command. These Rafale have been undertaking regular sorties in eastern Ladakh due to the continuing military confrontation with China. Rafale fighter jets, which are combat proven and come equipped with Scalp air to ground cruise missiles, the top notch Meteor air to air missiles, and also the Hammer air to ground precision guided munitions, it will obviously give enough power to safeguard the Indian airspace. Looks like India has taken a good decision in acquiring these Rafale fighters, and as per the defense sources, it looks like India might be placing an additional order of 18 Rafale fighter jets in a fast track mode. If we quickly go back to the order placed date, on 23rd September 2016, Indian Defence Minister signed a contract for 36 off the shelf Rafale fighters, and this had an option to place an additional order of 18 Rafale fighters at the same inflation adjusted price. I've already uploaded videos on Croatia and Greece placing orders with Dassault Aviation, and also Egypt and Qatar going for additional orders of these Rafale fighters. It is said that if India places the additional order, they would be getting the latest Rafale F4 variant. Since India is not showing much traction on both MMRCA and MMRCA 2.0 programs, it is good that they go for these available options of 18 additional Rafales at the same price. Even though there are news and allegations about the price being too high, we are not sure if France will reduce it further. So let's hope India takes some speedy decision in acquiring the additional Rafale fighters and strengthen the Indian Air Force fighter squadron strength at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.